Baton Rouge and the Southwest Mississippi.
Right.
We may see kind of a similar setup as we head toward Thursday with another round of some heavy rainfall, though probably not going to be quite the totals that we had from this past event. But that is in advance of another cold front, which will cool us down for Big Parade weekend. It'll be on the chillier side, so have the jackets ready for the evenings. Next couple of days, though, still very much of a spring-like feel as high temperatures today got into the upper 70s and even lower 80s. Mostly cloudy outside at the moment. 74 degrees with a dew point in the upper 60s. Way too warm and humid. Humidity is at 82%. Not much in the way of rainfall over the next couple of days. Most of the rain is farther to our north. We've actually got kind of this boundary that is sitting nearby and keeping the cold air just to our north and west. And we, though, sit under the warmer, more humid air. We were only 2 degrees away from the record high today, hitting 80 degrees, and another morning where the low for the day is above our normal high for this time of year. In the upper 60s, 70s across most of the area, with again many locations such as Kenner getting to around 80 degrees today. You don't have to go very far north to find the colder and even at times more Arctic feel. We're in the 40s in North Louisiana. Dallas is at 29 degrees, so just heading along I-10 toward the west or heading a little bit farther to the north, you're very much in winter. For us, though, still a spring-like feel with the high humidity. That will change, but over the next couple of days, we will remain under the warm, humid conditions and light variable winds overnight tonight, probably also allowing for more patchy fog. And we will see another fog advisory in effect for tonight. Here's what's going on in the upper atmosphere. We had that lower cold air move in at the surface, but aloft, we've got this almost southwesterly flow. That is kind of keeping what is basically a stationary front now to our north. That's why we're not into the colder air. But as I said, it is not too far away. You can kind of see how it's needled its way down even into southern Texas, but we sit a little bit warmer and more humid. That's the upper pattern. We're being dominated by an upper high. The upper low and troughing has been more to our west. That pattern is going to stick around through Wednesday and into early Thursday. By Thursday, we're going to see what is an upper trough. That will start bringing in that chillier air. However, by the time the air mass gets to us, it will have started to moderate. So we're not expecting 20s, maybe some 30s as we head toward the end of the week. But even now, not really expecting much in the way of freezing weather, even this far or this far south, maybe just up to our north. And then notice by early next week, we start a bit of a warming trend. So what will be kind of a cool down for the weekend will not last for very long. But it is going to bring in a good chance for some rain. So an upper system that is out to our west will slowly make its way in our direction. Rain over the next couple of days generally staying to our north, but Thursday, especially for the first half of the day, will be on the wetter side. And notice where we have this overrunning moisture with those sub-freezing temperatures not too far to the north, this is more of an ice situation where you have fairly warm temperatures aloft, and you've got that overrunning moisture, so it actually falls as rain reaches a sub-freezing layer just above the surface and then immediately freezes once it reaches the surface. So ice is a major concern for folks across North Texas, Arkansas, into Missouri, and parts of Oklahoma. For us, though, again, we'll see a cool down toward the end of the week, but not expecting a big sharp drop in temperature such as what they have out to our west. So kind of a almost quasi-weak front may try and slowly move through in the coming days. So high temperatures tomorrow, not quite as warm, not as warm on Wednesday. Then temperatures will likely spike as we head into Thursday before our front moves through with a better chance of rain. So isolated showers at most, more for just a warmer, more humid air mass with the morning fog threat. Then temperatures spike before the front moves on through, and then temperatures dropping throughout the day Thursday once the front is passed. Again, chilly but not nearly as cold as the temperatures just west of us. We'll be in the 40s and highs of only in the 50s by Friday. Chilly as we head into the evenings, both Saturday and into Sunday, but very pleasant afternoons and very nice as we continue into early next week.
All right, it's go time for these Mardi Gras forecasts.